I am going to show you right now how to add a sound effects to an animation inside of an animator inside of Unity. Alright, first thing you want to do, you want to go to the character object that you have, which I've created here, and as you can see, he's got a sword swing animation we're going to add the actual sound effects to. Now, I've got him set up how he should be set up. So, but this is the object that has the animator component on it. Alright, make sure you have an audio source component attached to the same object as well. Now, I've got my sound effects here, which I got from zapsplat.com. And it sounds good. Alright, so what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to add a script to this character, and we will call that script, I'm going to delete this old one, we're going to call that script animation events. It does not have to be called animation events, it's just what I'm going to call it for now. Alright, so we'll go ahead, we'll open that on up. First things first, we need our audio clip, and we're going to put that in a serialized field so we can access it, but it's still a private variable. And we'll call that swing. We need to access our audio source, and we'll call that a source. We need to initialize our audio source, and because it's on that animator game object, we will go ahead and just grab that. We're doing that so we don't tie up any other audio sources. We need to create a public void that's going to play our sword swing. And then we need to tell it that if our audio source is not playing, then we need it to play our play clip at point. And we're going to put it at the A source position, meaning it's going to get that component. And it's not going to utilize the main cameras. And then we'll go to 0.5F for our volume. Alright, so that's everything you need to do for that one portion. You can go up top here and get all fancy and put in a list or something and use this one void to play back a bunch of different clips, but this is just an easy way to do this. Alright, so now we're going to go back into Unity, go back to our game object here, drop our sound effects into the slot. Alright, now we're going to go to this, with this object selected, go to the animation window, find your attack animation. Alright, make sure it's not read only. If it is read-only, you need to duplicate it inside of Unity and utilize the one that's not read-only. Alright, so we're going to scroll the timeline and see where he swings the sword. And he swings it about right here. Alright, and then we will right-click and add animation event. Now, once you've done that, you go to the inspector up here, and you'll see where it says function. Now it's going to access that animation event script you just wrote, and we'll go to play sword swing. Now let's see if it works. And it does. And it works well. And it sounds good. And you don't have to worry about anything else. So that's how you add a sound effects to an animation event on an animation inside of Unity. Thank you.